In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up random auto reply for your WhatsApp autoresponder. This random auto reply helps you to avoid WhatsApp ban, meaning that as long as you are not sending the same type of reply to a large number of people coming to your DM in WhatsApp, WhatsApp will not dictate that it is coming from autoresponder and they will not ban you. But once your auto reply is a particular message, over time, it can trigger WhatsApp algorithm to ban your account. So one of the best ways to avoid being banned because of autoresponder is by having random messages being sent to people coming into your contact using a particular command or phrase. So to create a random reply, open your autoresponder, go to the welcome message you want to create a random reply. Now this is the welcome message, all right? So here is the reply. You're welcome. Click here to join. Okay. Now instead of sending them this particular reply all the time, you can set it to give them different replies meaning the same thing. So all you need to do is to click on random, then click on this plus sign. Here you can say something like, "We are glad to have you in our community. Use the link to join," or something like, "Join with this link." You can add another random message that is maybe straight to the point. "Use this link to join the free masterclass. See you in the class." What this does is that when you have so many leads coming into your DM using this default welcome message, now this autoresponder sends this reply to them differently. All of them will not get the same reply. Some will get this one, some will get this one, some will get this one. So they will not get the same reply. So by doing this, it helps to protect your WhatsApp, and it will make WhatsApp algorithm not to dictate any malicious or suspicious activity going on in your WhatsApp account. So this is how you can create random messages on your WhatsApp auto reply.